I see. You know it's Ecstatik. I say, yo, first of all, I have to big up all of the judges. You hear that? All of the sponsors, every supporter. DJ Smokey, Million. You don't know the thing, go. All contestants. Arrow General, Nero, Kisha Las Vegas. Yeah. Master Bruce, right there, so. I mean, I say, yo, no matter what the struggles that you're facing in life, you have to just make up your mind and know, say, yo, DJ Smokey, turn it up for me to hear. Let me hear it, Lord. Listen, you know the job. We start the cash, them only chat. Let me tell you, say, our oneness have more star than the Zodiac. The amount of time them try to hold we back. No, we winning with a surprising buzz. We have some striving talks, fresher than dry clean clothes. Life improv, all of me eyes them froze. No winning, just a life for your chores. Guess we surprise them first, never dolphin cove. Board us to the penthouse, hustle till me eyes them close. Let me tell you, show them say them can't call me up. Although my bank account no big and odious, but times gone by, they even fearful the boss. And now the most notorious, victorious. Them hurt me friend already, and the doctor sew him up. Before you judge a man, try know him story first. And since you're curious, nothing never glorious. Step on the plane, they done surely boss. We winning with a surprising buzz. We have some striving talks, fresher than dry clean clothes. Life improv, all our we eyes them froze. Now winning, I just a life for your chores. Guess we surprise them first, never dolphin cove. Board us to the penthouse, hustle till me eyes them close. Put in the work, it happen over time and never overnight. Me style unique, no man me no sound alike. Bring more flames than the gas stove you like. Get out my sight if you're not the soldier type. Feel good for be a winner when you grow up as a stinger. Because I'm be mommy they ya consider. The thing I take off like speedboat in a river. I bet me math teacher couldn't count them a figure. We winning with a surprising boss. We are some striving talks, fresher than dry clean clothes. Life improv, all our we eyes them froze. Winning, I just a life for your trust. I see.
Hey, the man saying fresher than some nice clean clothes, you know. Hey, I wonder if I hear what the artist I say. Hey, big up yourself right now, 100% talent, and that me a talk about. Them excited, them go to them homework. But in a real life, Nero Malisha, what do you think about Ecstatik?
Yo, Ecstatik, you are going. For me, make it so I go on, my G. You know what a song they just tell me a while ago? I just make it short and spicy. Your song is basically saying to me that I better we go farmland than there so farm fool, you see me? That's a way song I get from the song. So with that said, they get a perfect 10, my G. You see me? So go and continue them type of words in the first now. We need it now. You see me? Yeah, man, go.
Thank you, Nero Malisha, Kisha Las Vegas. I see you going with a whole heap of energy over there. Yeah.
Your performance is always great because you go in your thinking box and you look around you, you analyze what's going on in life and things you express many persons are afraid to talk about. And I really love your effort and I look forward to your performance every single week, and I do hope the audience supports you. I really hope they support you. I'm giving you a 9 because I know you have much more to go.
Thank you, Kisha. Our general, listening.
Yo, boys. You know. Yeah, bad artist. Ecstatik. You see me I deal with song they powerful. You always forward with some powerful song. Some song were powerful like the ark when now full. You see me I deal with, I'm always respect and honor that. You see me I deal but me I show you a thing I know. You see when time we are DJ and we DJ all in the third, we are DJ one song or 3 times. You see the third time we DJ, we really sound how we want for sound. You see the punchline. You see the last set of punch, the last chorus we do are the best chorus in the song. You see the rest of the chorus them never on point like the last chorus. You see me I deal with because more time I just practice. You see me I deal with that some more time. When you go in a studio you have a voice, you have to warm up first, you know. You have to sing all that song there 4 times before you say I'm ready now. You overs when me I deal with, so for me it's a solid 8 again, my general. Arrow them said we.
Yes, our general, thank you for that. You know what I mean? Words of advice, you don't know, it's all about motivation. I just believe you know what I mean? Big up yourself. Everything alright. Ecstatik.